Hey, I'm Dr. Allie at Brown Chiropractic, and today we're going to be talking about something that helps you stay moving and functioning at your best, and that's going to be a chiropractic adjustment. So I have Melissa here, and we are going to demonstrate an adjustment for you. Wellness adjusting is super important because it keeps the joints sliding and gliding the way that they're supposed to. It keeps the muscles moving at their optimal length, and it can prevent injuries from occurring down the line for you. When you first start out treatment, you're taking care of an injury or some kind of pain. And once we get you out of that pain, it's super important to keep your body functioning in that optimal way to prevent that pain from showing up again and to keep you moving at your best. Just like you go to the dentist to make sure you have that routine checkup, make sure your teeth are healthy, it's also super important to have those visits with your chiropractor as well to make sure your joints are staying healthy too. So if you're ready to optimize your health and wellness and are ready to live your best life, our wellness plan might be the right fit for you.